everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Cheese. I'm back with another video. Now I just got done eating some Wingstop. I got my pajamas on. I need a retwist, but I'm going to do this video because I don't know, I'm at a different place in my life. You get what I'm saying? Like I'm not recording videos to get views or get likes, comments. You know what I'm saying? I'm recording now because I genuinely enjoy doing this shit. You know what I'm saying? Like literally I enjoy doing this. Like this is, I don't even look at the comments or the not the comments, I don't even look at the views anymore. It's like I'm gonna put this out because this is what I want to do. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know, I'm happy. I love this for me. I'm just happy. So yes, I got my pajamas on and yeah. So I'm gonna have to edit that out because I think I just showed my address. My address is on the front and the back. So yeah, I got a package. I got a package and we're just gonna unbox it. Ta-da! Alright, let's open it. Can you guess what it is? Comment down below what you think it is. Oh wow, it's really to use some force to get this open. Okay. All right. They're books. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Now these are books that I have been wanting to buy for a good little minute. So this one is called Allegedly. I have been wanting to get my hands on this book for a good little minute, but I told myself if it's not a hardcover, I don't want it. You get what I'm saying? I didn't want the paper cover. And this book has been sold out everywhere for months. I've been trying to get my hands on this book for a long time, a genuinely long time. Do y'all like my eyebrows? My boyfriend cut them, and he really like did a good job shaping them up with his little razor thing. Like he really did a good job with the arch. But anyway, yeah, Allegedly by Tiffany D. Jackson. I have been waiting to get my hands on this book for a long time. This has been on my TBR for a minute. So I cannot wait to read her books. I have all of her, I think I have all of her books. I have Grown, I have Monday's Not Coming, White Smoke, this Allegedly. So yeah, I have Grown, White Smoke, Allegedly, Monday's Not Coming. I have 4 of her books. Yeah, 4. And she's also coming out with another book in September. Tiffany D. Jackson is one of my favorite YA authors. I absolutely love her. I'm looking forward to this story. My favorite book by her is Monday's Not Coming. I'm sorry, y'all. I live in Cali. If you know, you know. There are airplanes flying in and out of California all the time. So yeah. But anyways, I absolutely love this book. I mean, I don't love it yet. I don't know. But yeah. I got this from Target as well. The hardcover. Oh my god, I can't wait. I can't wait. Okay. So Allegedly, she didn't say much in that first interview with detectives and the media, filled in the only blanks that mattered. A white baby had died while under the care of a church-going black woman and her 9-year-old daughter. The public convicted Mary and the jury made it official. But did she do it? She wouldn't say. Mary survived 6 years in baby jail before being dumped in a group home. The house isn't really home. No place where you fear for your life, it can be no place where you fear for your life can be considered a home. Home is Ted, who she meets on who she meets on assignment at a nursing home. There wasn't a point to setting the record straight before, but now she's got Ted and their unborn child to think about. When the state threatens to take her baby, Mary must find the voice to her past, and her fate lies in the hands of the person she distrusts the most, her mama. No one knows the real mama, but does anyone know the real Mary? In this gritty, haunting debut, Tiffany D. Jackson explores the gray areas in our understanding of justice, family, and truth, acknowledging the light and darkness alive in all of us. Let me tell you something. If this right here that I just read don't make you want to read this book, I don't know what to tell you, baby. I cannot wait for this. Oh yes, I cannot wait for this. Now the next book I got has been on my TBR for a minute as well. It's kind of small. It's literally 225 pages. It may be a fast read, but this is literally, like, look at the difference. I want to show y'all. Do y'all see the difference? Like, this book is very this is gonna be a fast read. This is My Sister the Serial Killer. Now, my genre, if you haven't known already, is thriller, dark, scary. Okay, I love that shit. You know, give me a good thriller written by a black woman. Doesn't necessarily have to be written by a black woman, but give me a good thriller written by a black woman. I'm all over that. Okay, Ace of Spades. Monday's Not Coming wasn't a thriller, but it should have been in the category. I feel like. What other book did I? Colleen. What's it called? Verity. If you want a good thriller, not written by a black woman, but if you want a good thriller, Verity by Colleen Hoover. Chef's kiss. I was on my toes the entire book. Ace of Spades, Chef's kiss. I was on my toes the entire book. What's that other one I said? Monday's Not Coming, Chef's kiss. I was on my I cried. You understand? But yeah. So this is My Sister the Serial Killer. Fuck was that? But anyway, what this book is about is there is these two sisters, right? One of the sisters kills her boyfriend, and she calls her sister for help. Like, hey, I need to bury this body. So we need to figure out what we're gonna do. Are you gonna help me or are you not? You know? So yeah, that is what this book is basically about. And I am so happy. One of the best books of the year, The Washington Post. Okay, a canny, wicked, often surprisingly story. Bombshell book. Okay, My Sister the Serial Killer. All right. I am so ready to read all of these. For my family, whom I love very much. I like that. But yeah. So I want to see if there's anything in here. And allegedly. Oh, nope. It's just chapter 1. And I do think that this book was Tiffany D. Jackson's first book as well. For my mother and my grandmother, who never let me feel an ounce of pain. Oh, that is so sweet. I love that. I envy women that have great relationships with their mother and grandmother, because yeah, if you know my story, you know my story. But yeah, I envy that very much. Like, if you're a girl or a woman and you have a great relationship with your mother and your grandmother, I envy you. so sad. But anyways, yeah, reading is my reading makes me happy, and it just heals my inner child. Yeah, you know what, let's talk about this, right, for a second. One second, right? There was a book. It was, and I'm gonna find it, I'm gonna buy it actually, and I'm gonna read it. There was a book. I know if you're a black girl, you had some Bratz dolls, right? Bratz dolls, Bratz Rock Angels was my favorite thing, right, when I was a child. And they came out with a book. Now, I think at the time I forget how old I was, right? But I was obsessed with everything Bratz dolls. I had, Bratz book bag. I had the Bratz dolls. My mom would never buy me Chloe because she was white. Understandable, I guess. But I had everything Bratz doll, right? I had the big mannequin head. Y'all know when they used to make the big mannequin heads where you could do their hair? That's how I learned how to do hair. One of those things, right? Now, when it came to this book, I really wanted to get this book, right? It was a chapter book, and it was like Bratz Rock Angels. If I can find a picture, I'll insert it, right? I was so excited for that book. My mom bought it. I can remember where we were. We were in Burlington, the kids section, and I asked my mom if she would buy me this book. Like she saw it was Bratz, and she knew I like Bratz, right? It's like you buy me everything else Bratz, so it wasn't an issue. She's like, yeah, put the book in there, We get home, and I show my grandma the book, right? Because my grandmother had this thing where, and I hated that shit. We had to show her our clothes. You know what I mean? I don't know why old people think that shit is like, I don't know. It's like, oh, try on your stuff. It's like, no, I'm good. Right? So we get home and she's like, oh, try on your stuff. Try on your things. And I'm like, okay. And so I showed her the book, and she was like, and she told my mom, it's too grown for me to be reading. Bitch, what? Mind you, I had all of the Bratz VHSs. I had every Bratz doll except Chloe because she was white. I had posters. I had a Bratz book bag, shirts, t-shirts. I had a Bratz mannequin when I was doing my hair on. And you telling me I can't read a Bratz book because it's too grown? Bitch, what? What? If that's the case, take all this shit back. All this shit I got for Christmas. All this shit I ever got for my birthday. Take all this shit down and take it the fuck back. I can't read a fucking book because it's Bratz and it's too grown. What? Get the fuck out of here, bro. I don't know. I just thought that was weird. Yeah, a lot of things in my childhood I couldn't do. And there was a lot of stuff that I couldn't wear in my childhood. There was a lot of things I couldn't do, wear, say. I couldn't act a certain way because it was always too grown. Child shit. Child shit though. But it would be child shit. Child clothes. Appropriate clothes. Too grown. You know. Weird as fuck. Weird as fuck. Weird as fuck. If I ever become a parent, I swear to God, and somebody tries to tell me about my parenting, what do you mean it's too grown? What's wrong with it? You know what I mean? And it's like, I think it's the fact that whatever my grandmother said, my mom went along with. I think that's the issue. Because she put the book up in the closet. It's too grown for you. Oh well. That's it? The fuck? What? There was never a discussion. There was never a, oh, let me read through the book. Let me flip through it and see. It was probably like literally 40 pages. I'm not even sure how many pages. But yeah, let me just flip through it and see. It wasn't that. It was, oh, it's going up in a closet. It's too grown for you. First of all, if you try to tell me about my kid, bitch, bye. Second of all, if I feel like something's too grown, I wouldn't have bought it in the fucking first place. It's number 2. Number 3, I'm gonna look through the book first to see if it's appropriate for my child. But anyways, yeah. That was my books. These are my books. Can't wait. Oh, what I'm reading right now is a mystery. I like thriller. I told y'all I like thriller mysteries. So this is One of Us Is Lying. It's really, really good. It's about this boy. He dies in a classroom, and there are 4 people in there that have watched this boy die. He was allergic to peanut oil. Peanut oil was somehow in his cup, and he had an allergic reaction and died. 4 suspects were in the classroom at this time, including the boy that died. So that makes 5, right? So somebody is responsible for this boy's death. And yeah, that's this book. Absolutely love it so far, and it's definitely a page turner. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 books that I have to read after this one, but yeah. So yeah, y'all, that was my little unboxing. I got both of these books from Target, and yeah, I have another haul coming from Target, but you know how Target do. They like to send your shit in like 5 different boxes and this is the one that came first. So yeah, and I couldn't wait. You know, I could have did it all in one, and I just didn't want to wait. So yeah, there's gonna be a video for this little unboxing, a video for my next Target unboxing, and then a video for another unboxing that I have coming. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for following my journey. Stay tuned for my lock. I don't know what I'm finna do, honestly. I'm just letting them do what they do. Literally, like, I'm literally just letting them do what they do. And it's so funny, like, I'm not gonna say that, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you follow me on TikTok as well. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. And I'll see you on my next video. Peace.